Hi, I'm Jeff. I just want to thank you for your support over the last year or so. I know that I've been quiet the last month or so, and that's because life has just gotten in the way. But I'm very grateful for the support that you have provided me over the last 12 months. If you've just watched a video, liked, commented, or subscribed, then thank you very much. At this stage, I don't make much money from this channel, so I'd really like to thank those people who have reached into their pocket and bought me a cup of coffee to help me. That money is being used to pay for the things that I need to make this channel work. The names of those people that have supported me are scrolling on the screen right now. Thank you very much for your support. In Australia, at this time, we celebrate Christmas, and I use the term celebrate loosely because we have a very multicultural society. So whatever you do this time of year, I hope that you are blessed with happiness and health, and that you have a prosperous new year. Thank you very much. We'll see you next time.